All right, hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is 7b, more strings, so we're going to be doing a lot of exercise on strings, just getting used to how they work. We should be able to run down these questions fairly quickly, so I'll try to keep these a bit short. If you get lost, if you're not sure what's happening, just feel free to watch the video a couple of times until you really understand it. Let's take a look at question 1. Write a program that will ask the user to input a word if the word has more than 10 letters. The program should respond with XXX is a long word, where the XXX is the word that was entered. Okay, before we even write some code, you should get a sense of how this program is going to work. A couple of keywords in there. Let's see if I can get my mouse back. Input. Ooh, input. We know how to do that. What about if? Oh, we've looked at that before. If statements and conditionals. Okay, well, maybe you know how to handle that. And XXX is a long word. It doesn't say to do anything if it's not more than 10 letters. So we're not going to do anything either. If they put in a word that's less than 10 letters, we're not going to do anything. We're not even going to print that word out. Okay. This here, XXX is a long word where XXX is the word that was entered. Straight away your brain should go, F string. I'm going to need an F string. I'm going to need some curly braces around this thing, and I'm just going to put in whatever variable I call that into that spot. Let's do it. Over to REPL. A little bit less. So let's go in word. Make a variable. Declare a variable to start with. Word equals input. And we're going to prompt the user for something here always. Please enter a word. And we're going to say if. How do we check the length of a string? How do we check the length of the string? There's a function, haha, len word. If len word has more than 10 letters, do something. We want to print, and we have our F string here. Get ready for REPL to do its funky bracket thing. Print that word is a long word. Is that it? Is that it? Is that our whole program? It doesn't ask for the length of the word. It doesn't ask you to put that out. It just says print, that's a long word. Run it. Please enter a word. Oh, we didn't do the /n. It looks horrible. Discombobulated. Discombobulated is a long word, absolutely. You can put a /n in here and tidy it up, but we'll leave it there for now. Nice quick one. On to the next one. See you there.